Si Sir Carlo Rabat, as former boss ko when he was still mayor, he is a very considerate person. Ayaw niyang gulo, dili siya gustong samok. Gusto niya peace, para napod siya peace of mind. So gina-inculcate din niya sa mga empleyado na ang tanan magmerespetuhay.
My name is Tanya Virginia Rabat. Tan na ako ngayon, and I'm the youngest among the siblings. Disciplinarian. He used to be very strict, and there was a time when he would have this set of rules, and he really imposes it upon us, especially sa amin, the younger ones. So, ganun siya. Nagagalit pag if we don't wear our slippers. Ganun siya. When you talk of projects, you have the soft, you have the hard projects. And we all know, too many to mention, and I'm sure ganun naman din talaga no, sa mga local executives. There are too many to mention because you have your own budget, and then you also have downloads and support from national government agencies. So maraming projects yan talaga. But because Mayor Carlo, as I've said, he's consultative, he's very open, so he also opened Mati.
Anyway, going back to the question na unsang nag-inspire sa atua. Di naman siguro sa atong taga-Mati nga sa una pa mga pamilya sa Rabat nagserbisyo gyud diri sa Mati, no. So gani ako nakamatan ako sa ingana kaya ako amahan mismo na abtan gyud ako nahimo tong mayor sa Mati. Gani ang kuan lang sa iya kay short-lived lang siya, di ba? So kinamatay man siya, bata pa ko nato, 13 years old, no? So kato, tas mga ako mga tiyo, si Tumidito, Tupaking, nagserbisyo pod. So I think ang ilang pagserbisyo apil sa akong amahan, mao to naka-inspire sa ko na gusto na akong ipadayon ng pagserbisyo. Mao na ako pod na murag na nagyud sa dugo pod na mo serbisyo pod, no. Gani karon wala ako nagdagan pero ang akong anak na pod ang nagkuan sa kuha. So encourage pod ako sila nga ipadayon ng serbisyo. Kanunay ko makadungog, no, na abot reklamo man na or praise ba na siya, no, na sobra daw ta kabuutan. No, pero sa akong una pod mas maayo naman tang buutan kontra sa maldito gid kaayo, di ba? Pero anyway, importante nga naagid kay time kanunay maminaw sa mga suggestion, reklamo ba na, or mga panginahanglan sa katawhan. Kay through listening, mahibawaan po nimo unsa po ang pwedeng ihatag na support services sa gobyerno, sa LGU, sa Mati, dito sa atong mga community, sa katawhan mismo, no. Ug importante po nga pabilin kag humble, no. Pabilin kag humble. Ug on the foot on the ground yun kay para di ka gani makabuhat og mga dili maayo para sa katawhan, no. Maintain kag magpabilin kag simple, but always find time good to talk to the community and the people, no.
My dad is a man of few words. Pero makita nimo ang iyang sincerity sa iyang actions. He doesn't let his temper get the best of him. Kalmado yan siya. And he's very observant first before judging. Tapos nakita na ako sa akong amahan, sensitive to the feelings of the people around him. Bisan tanaw niya na mali or tama, he'll always consider their feelings first before anything else. Nga na siya mag-approach sa mga tao and he treats everyone the same, from his friends to his constituents to the people that work for him. He'll talk to everyone the same way, which I really try to emulate. I really try. All of us siblings really try to copy. Okay, I think bisag kinsa pangutanon nimo kana gyud ang defining trait ni Mayor Carlo. My dad is just strict on education. He's very lenient on other things, pero pag-abot sa mga edukasyon, it was a no if we didn't finish college or get a proper education. Kaya my parents also had their ups and downs, pero consistent sila sa paghatag ug pag-remind kanamo na kinahanglan namo tarungon ang among pag-eskwela. And they always tried their best to give us the best education as possible. And until this day, di rin ako na makalimutan. When I finally was given the chance to sit as vice mayor, nakita na ako na I think one of the two most significant accomplishments yung pag-establish sa Muslim Affairs Office, number 1, which is still active until today. It was during his time, and now there are efforts to institutionalize the Muslim Affairs Office, which I think will be a big booster to the needs of the Islam community. And number 2, his accomplishments pag-abot sa patubig. It was during his time that the private water companies came to Mati, and until now nakita nato ang effect na. They say sometimes the terms of public servants are too short. So what is important is always continuity and syempre vision and drive to accomplish all you want for your city.
So nalipay ko dako nga gipadayon ning programa kaning pagpila, ug of course ang atong sambukan, it's a way of celebrating, no? Ang atong unity as a people of Mati, no? Common goal nato is for the development of Mati, no? Di man ta magkauban sa politika, di man ta magkauban sa atong mga kanya-kanyang mga dreams for Mati, but ang importante is we are one for the development of Mati. Na siya. So I encourage everyone to share their what they can do, maghatag contribution for the development of Mati, for everyone to enjoy and to live